Kuma chelo en ni Jatend migao mar teko Opiyo Wandayi kwedo weche mane wach kod mane jalup Jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua mane oyango ni ok obiye gi duoko mar yiero mar higa mag 2027 poni Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto biro yombogi ka otiyo kod lwedo momin kata tok pasia. Wandayi wacho ni weche miwacho kod mane jalup Jatend piny kide keto piny Kenya mudho mandiwa mar dhao mano ma ok onego rwak kata matin ni olose kanisa moro Nyakach kendo ni oganda jo Kenya nyakoro buon weche mag Gachagua.
Bwana Gachagua spoke very recklessly. Very recklessly. You know, Mr. Gachagua has not seen trouble in his life. And therefore, he can be wishing this country the bad things. Yet, because this country is protected by God, this country will remain united. The elections will come and go, yet Kenya will remain united. Mr. Gachagua must stop being a prophet of doom. This country will remain united. What they are doing is simply crying wolf. They have already sensed defeat, even before the IBC is constituted. What I want to assure them, the Wamunyoro group, is that the elections will come, they will be defeated, and Kenya will move on. If he is wishing for trouble, then he is alone. Gachagua has never even spent a single hour in a police cell. He has never even tasted tear gas. He has not seen trouble. We can give him some 1 or 2 lessons when it comes to agitation. So let him keep his peace and let Kenyans stay united.